Welcome back. In this video, we are going to solve a structural design problem that involves a cantilever slab design using working stress method based on eStructural Design Taichi found on the App Store. Design a reinforced concrete cantilever slab using working stress method for office use with 1500 mm overhang span and assumed thickness of 100 mm. Design criteria as follows: strength of concrete 4000 psi, main bars 12 mm bar grade 33, temperature bars 12 mm bar grade 33. The load for 4 inches thick slab is 50 pounds per foot. An office live load is 50 pounds per foot. Floor finish is 20 pounds per foot and partition is 20 pounds per foot for a total load of 140 pounds per foot. Enumerate input parameters required. Name of slab CS5. Length of span 1500 mm or 5 feet. Slab thickness 100 mm or 4 inches. Main and temperature bars 12 mm or half inch diameter bar grade 33. Strength of concrete 4000 psi and total load of 140 psf. Given Fc prime equals 4000 psi, Fs equals 18,000 psi, the balance section properties are as follows: N equals 8.044, K equals 0.446, J equals 0.851, and R equals 342. Proceed to flexure and slab thickness. With a total load of 140 pounds per foot and 5 feet span, the moment is 21,000 inch-pounds. The effective depth is 2.26 inches and total depth of 3.46 inches. Use 4 inches as minimum. Given M equals 21,000, Fs equals 18,000, J equals 0.851, and D equals 2.8, the area of steel is 0.49 square inch, and the spacing for half-inch diameter bar is 4.9 inches. Use 4.5 inches. The area of steel for temperature bars is 0.096 square inch, and the spacing for half-inch diameter bar is 25 inches. Use 16 inches as maximum spacing. The shear force is 700 pounds, and the shear stress is 20.83 psi, less than concrete capacity of 69.57 psi. The total circumference of half-inch diameter bars spaced at 4.5 inches on a foot span is 4.19. The bond stress is 70.11 psi, less than concrete capacity of 500 psi. Design results are as follows: Fc prime equals 4000 psi. Fs equals 18,000 psi. Length of span is 1500 mm. Thickness is 100 mm. Main bars of grade 33, 12 mm bar at 112 mm on center. Temperature bars of grade 33, 12 mm bar at 400 mm on center. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel.